Republicans demand DHS sheriff release Biden immigration overhaul blueprint, give bonus Taurus, Gemini, and Cancer today horoscope. Welcome back to the Stylist. I'm your host, Katherine Dang. A dozen Republican senators are seeking the immediate release of a Biden administration blueprint for expanding and overhauling the U.S. immigration system as outlined in a draft document obtained by selected media, but not yet disclosed to Congress or the public. In a joint letter to Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas, the senators demand the release of a 46-page draft called the DHS Plan to Restore Trust in Our Legal Immigration System, which was first reported by the New York Times and reportedly maps out the Biden administration's plans for a significant expansion of the legal immigration system. According to the New York Times, the document lists scores of initiatives intended to reopen the country to more immigrants, by not just rolling back some Trump-era policies, but also addressing backlogs and delays that plague previous presidents. Most of the policy proposals could not be implemented by executive authority, but would require a broader overhaul of U.S. immigration laws, according to the report. In the letter, the GOP lawmakers allege that the details are being withheld from Congress and the American people, which they find particularly troubling given the ongoing crisis at the southern border. The senators expressed concern that some of the policies the blueprint reportedly contains will serve to exacerbate the problem by accelerating the flow of illegal immigration into the U.S. We are deeply concerned that this policy will act as a pull factor to continue drawing illegal immigrants to the country, much like the policies already being implemented by the Biden administration, they wrote. And now, if you are Taurus, Gemini, or Cancer, let's see what your horoscope is today. With Taurus, you must think about your well-being first to set clear boundaries before helping anyone else. This is not a selfish thing to do, but something that will help you stand your role in the future and protect what you care about the most while keeping your heart at peace. The more you think about the situation state in front of you, the easier it gets to understand where its core lies. You no longer have any profit from superficial views of any kind. How about Gemini? Due to a drone that crashed in one of Yellowstone's hot springs, June got banned from all national parks in the United States. Actions made could have drastic consequences that you never anticipated. But this is not something to fear right now. You are ready to face anything that comes your way and don't mind paying the price for personal space and freedom. Speak your mind, aware that this is the moment when misunderstandings are still in bloom, for even though Mercury turns direct, it is still in the shadow and only starting to move in its healthy Gemini manner. In Cancer, the air is finally clear. You can see that something simply serves as a big lesson, even though you thought that they would bring numerous different benefits your way. To stand in your own way by holding on to what no longer serves a good purpose. You are in charge of your own life and need to bring yourself the happiness you wish for and the joy you deserve. It would be a shame to settle for any less than what puts a smile on your face. And what do you think, my friends? Let me know below. If you like what you heard, don't forget to share it with at least one of your friends. Thanks for tuning into this Stylist. I'm Katherine Dang and see you next time.